You know you look perfect, princess.
I ain't no guest, miss. I'm just passing through.
Oh, nonsense. Well, come on in. Rest a while. Now, we got food on the stove and a bottle of the good stuff we've been saving.
It's decided then. I'm gonna go freshen up.
I appreciate the offer, but I best be on my way.
Oh, come on now. How you gonna turn down a hot meal and good company? I'll go open that bottle. Hey, there he is. Come on in. Come on. I hope she ain't primping for hours up there. We'll never eat. Go check on her, will you?
Not sure why you want me to fetch your woman for you.
Hunger's just getting the better of me, partner. And hey!
Hey!
Wait, this just about perfect. One of them moments you wish could last forever.
Well, like I said, I can't stay for...
That stuff will put hair on your chest.
Oh, I doubt he needs that. Let's loosen you up some more.
What the hell is that?
It's an old Arbdeen home recipe. That one right there's in 1894.
Feels like someone's stabbing me in the head.
Come on, I thought I had a man here, not a boy. One more, and you and I both will go upstairs and have a lie down.
What the hell?
Oh, about time. Take whatever catch he has on her and put it behind Mama.
What the hell just happened? Those crazy sons of bitches got some
You ain't...
What? No harm from done.
Sick sons of bitches.